good evening. Welcome to EasyAlgo YouTube channel. So let me check my mic, guys. Give me a second. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Good evening. Welcome to EasyAlgo YouTube channel. Is it my voice clear? All right. So many members are joined today. So I want to show how the indicator works. All right. So we'll start from BTC, guys. So last like 7 September, yeah, when we saw this pattern, right? Like when we saw this pattern, so we was waiting for a breakout. So and finally we got a trade from this area. Okay, and our target was this, and the target hit it. So now we are waiting for a new pattern. Okay, now I'll just show you in 1 hour. So this was a 4 hours. Now we'll just, so now the candles are below this zone. Okay, so now we are waiting for a bullish confirmation. Okay, now I'll just show you how the trend-X indicator works. Okay, so I just want to go back to our last week trades. Okay, so now we are, so yeah, so this was a last week a token we was trading here. So we was waiting for a clear direction. So once we got a clear direction from this level, so we started from taking a long positions from this area. Okay, we have some rules about trend-X. So this indicator, how it works. So we'll teach them every day. We have training. Okay, so here, so we was looking a long positions. You just look this. We got this trade, and our second trade was from this area. Okay, and to take these trades, we take help of a daily trend-X. Okay, we have different trend-X here: daily, weekly, and monthly. We use daily and weekly. All right, so we use a daily and weekly. So you just look at this. This is the daily trend-X. Here you can see the blue color. So from here we was taking our long positions, and finally hit the targets. You just look at this. So like we have a lot of token. The previous week got a very good trade. So the current week, okay, the current week, I'll just uncheck daily trend-X. So now, yeah, so this is the current week. So you know, yesterday we had a event Fed speech, correct? So for that reason we was waiting, and within 2 candles the market target has hit it. So now, for now, you're not looking any trade in this. So if you want to try any trade, so wait to market come at this place. Okay, here if see, only when we see candlestick pattern, right, only at that time we are going to take those trade. Without candlestick, see, if you don't see any candlestick confirmation, then we are not taking any trades. Okay, we have 2 zones. The first zone is here, the second zone is here. Okay, we'll move on to next one. So ETH, so I'll just go to this. So yeah, sorry, HNT USDT. So here today I told that we have one zone. So we was waiting for a breakout, correct? So we got a breakout here, and market started going up. So now I told we have 2 zones. The first zone was this line. The main zone is this. correct? Remember, so today we got a monthly trend X, guys. We got monthly narrow trend X list. Now what we selected the 10 tokens, in that almost 5 to 6 tokens we have monthly narrow. Okay, you can try this trade from this area. So we got a breakout, so candlestick confirmation is important. Okay, from this area we can try our long positions. So you know the liquidity, the targets, so you can look at this. These are our liquidities, so these are our targets. Even you can see the liquidity and our weekly trend X target. This is a R2 and this is a R3. Okay, our trade will be execute from this area. Just wait to come here. All right, so the third token is ETH. So here we are waiting for a breakout. Remember, we have a weekly ascending trend X, correct? So you know, weekly ascending trend X. Now we should look a long position. Just wait for a breakout. So once we'll get a breakout, then we can try our long positions. I'll update in Discord, guys. Okay, just wait for a breakout. We need a good healthy candle. Okay, we need good healthy candle. Once it reach here, then retest, then we'll try this trade. So our liquidity is here at the same place. We have our targets. Okay, and remember, candles are above, 1 second, just I'll show you. So candles are about 200 EMA. So you guys know the 200 EMA, how it works, right? So yeah, so wait for this. So I'm expecting we'll get a good trade in ETH. Okay, just wait for a clear breakout. So today I told, right, like a UK session, so I told that we'll wait to reach here. So once it reach here, then we'll wait for a retest. Okay, all right, so we'll move on to the next FTM. Yesterday, you remember, I gave the signal from this area, correct? After that we got Dragonfly Doji, and few people took these trades. And yeah, if you are on this trade, please hold it. Our target is big. Like, I'll just show you the liquidities. See, the next liquidity is here, 0.8583. But to reach here, it won't reach it like very easily. It will take some time to reach here, correct? So it will zigzag, then it will reach. Don't worry, the daily trend X, according to the daily trend X, we can take our trades. For a new trade, if you are looking a fresh trades in this, just wait for a retracement. Okay, so I told again, we have two zones, like a previous week high and this zone. And remember, this is a weekly super narrow. So when we see weekly super narrow, market will be volatile, right? Correct, the market will be volatile. Just wait for a retracement. All right, so we'll move on to the next token. Okay, so you can see this now clearly. Market is breaking the weekly trend X, and you know, guys, like we actually miss many trades here. So when you know, right, the trend X formula, when candles will be above weekly, we are looking along positions from daily according to the daily trend X. I mean daily S1 and previous day low. But what if candles are above monthly? Correct, now the most candles are above monthly, then we should look along positions from a weekly support. I'll just show you guys. We actually missed this trade. Like, it was seriously, just look at this. So candles are above monthly, so we should look along positions from a weekly support. So all right, no problem. We'll if you miss this trade, just wait for a retracement. Okay, I'll just mark the zone and give you guys here. We'll wait. So let's come back to the zone, then from here we'll try our trades. All right, so we'll move on to the next token. Okay, so this IOST USDT, just look at this, the same again. So candles are above monthly and it's taking rejection from support exactly. You just look at this. Right now, this the pattern looks like reverse head and shoulder. So let's wait. If it's coming here, then we can try our long positions. If you want to take a safe trade, then we already missed the first one, then we have to wait for a second trade. Okay, the daily trend X, don't forget the daily trend X. Okay, so the next one, okay, this we don't have any good setup here. I just, like, I was looking here. So yeah, I'll just show you the other tokens. 1 second, guys. All right. Okay, so here this token CELR USDT, right? So here we got a breakout, but after that we got a big red candle, correct? So now here just I'll show you the 200 EMA. Just look at candles are about 200 EMA and above weekly and monthly trend X, and weekly is super narrow. So now time to wait. So wait for a breakout. Once we see breakout, then wait for a retest. Wait for a retest, and yes, we'll try this token. See now, seeing the red candles. Okay, so many members, they don't know about this indicator, how it works. So many new members, like another, like who are trading with price action, or they'll just, after seeing these red candles, they'll jump into the trade. We'll wait, okay, because the reason, see, the weekly trend X is a so strong support and resistance, correct? It works as a strong support and resistance. So we will wait. We'll wait for a retracement. If it's going down, then we'll wait for a short setup. But current situation, no trading zone. Okay, just keep this in your list. Okay, we'll find the good setup in this token. All right, so I'll just want to show the BTC. Okay, so the BTC, you can see, I'll just show you the 4 hours time frame. So this is a strong zone. I'm sorry, I'll come from daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame. You guys remember, so when we started our trades, it was actually from this area, and you know that we was talking about this, correct? So before this, like many days ago, or like almost 4 months, 5 months ago, so when candle was here, we was expecting the market will come here, and trend X was showing that, right? We need retracement, and we got a perfect retracement, touch and go. It touched and it went. So now it made one pattern here, right? So now we took our trades, like we posted this chart, correct? So here you can see we got rejection from 2-3 times. So we was expecting for a breakout. We got a breakout, and I told that we need a breakout here. So we got a breakout. After breakout, we need a retracement, retest area. So retest area is this now. So if the candles are coming, then an high possible it can retest this line, trend line. Okay, this parallel channel, what we call this, like it can maybe test. Okay, just wait. So candles are below a weekly trend X, but we are above monthly, and yes, let's wait for a good pattern, okay, in 1 hour. So we'll wait for a good pattern. Once we see the good pattern, then we can try our long positions. I'm waiting to break this level. Okay, so I'm waiting to break this level. So I'll just change this. So I'm waiting to break this level. Once if level breaks, then we'll wait for a good candlestick pattern. All right, so this is what I'm looking at BTC, and 1 second. So you can look at this. So candles are again rejecting from previous week low and S1, weekly S1. So this is a strong support. Below that we have monthly trend X, guys. So if some events come, or news, it can make one big green candle also. So just wait for a good confirmation. Okay, we have, so clearly the H4 we have, so we can look at this uptrend, right? Like it started for a uptrend. So we need a proper candle breakout. So once we get breakout, then we'll start again looking along positions. Current situation, so avoid taking the trades in BTC. Let's wait, because already we missed the trade from this area. Correct, we missed this trade. Let's wait. We will find other. So we have many tokens, weekly narrow list. Correct. So 1 second, guys. So yeah, so new members, like many members has joined here. Welcome, guys, once again. So I'll just show you. So we have a Discord channel. Okay, so we'll be posting our charts here, so BTC, and I'll be updating the daily updates here. So whenever I get a good setup, I'll be posting here. You can look at this. So our trade was from here, so I gave here, so you can look at this, correct? So we will be posting here like everything. So this is, so we are not providing any signals, but yes, when we see any good setup, then I'll be posting here, okay, with our indicator and with a plain chart. Okay, you can see, and so we have a training every you just look at this. We teach a trend X, candlestick patterns, indicator X. So we have trainings here. All right. So this is what I'm looking at BTC. We'll go back to this. So now ETH. So here, why I'm expecting a bullish, I'll just show you. I'll just uncheck a monthly trend X. All right, see, guys, look here. First, we have to see the weekly trend X. So you know the weekly trend X, right? Like this is a clear ascending weekly trend X, right? So there are chances are there it can make a new high. For that, we need confirmation. So now still market is struggling to go up. So now again it reversed from a weekly trend X. Now candles are below weekly trend X. So the reason, like now we have to wait, correct? The slowly we got a breakout here, like we was discussing, right? Like, and guys, every day we'll be coming live on UK session on Discord. I'll be sitting there more than 1 hour every day. So I'll be helping people with their charts. If they have any doubts, I'll be helping them. All right. So we have to wait for a breakout, then retest, then we'll take this trade. Assume that if the market this candle are coming down, so tomorrow the daily trend X, correct? The daily trend X will help us to find the short trades. For now, the current is current zone is a no trading zone. So see, if candles are going till here, then we would have expect the retracement. So when we got our green candle, as soon as that green candle, we got a red candle, and still we don't have any confirmation here. So the EasyAlgo we teach them until we don't see any candlestick pattern, we are not going to take the trade. Like no order limit, nothing, like no. So until we don't see any candlestick pattern, we are not going to take the trade. So we need candlestick confirmation, like just like last week. I'll just show you the guys. So just look at this. So whenever, like whatever we took the trade without candlestick pattern, we won't take that trade. So here, like this, okay, here it was hammer, and we got a hammer here. So for that reason, we can take the trade. And fire USDT, I think I'm missing here. So the fire USDT also with dragonfly doji we took the trade. Even this, the last week we took the trade from this this area. So the daily trend X will help us to find those trade setups. All right, so yeah, and if I see any charts in this, and I'll show the weekly list. Okay, so this is the weekly list. So like so many tokens are there, narrow list, correct? Like multiple tokens, like we have more than 50 or 70, I think so. So in this token, we'll get, like we should find a one single trade every day. Correct. Let's find if I see any change, if I find any good trade setup, I'll post it on Discord, guys. Okay, just wait. Like we got a new monthly trend X. So now market maybe can change. Today is a second day, so we have still 4 days for trading till Friday, Saturday. So we'll get a good trade, and you know guys, that our trade targets will be always big, right? Like assume that if you are taking any trade from a trend X from here, first target is this, and you know that whenever we see a weekly narrow, our target will be like R1, R2 and R3, correct? All right, then thank you so much, and yeah, we'll meet tomorrow again, guys. If I find any trades, I'll post on Discord. Okay, and thanks for joining. Take care, guys. Bye bye.